Facts about having your heart broken. 1. You can be uncertain about who you are. How we view ourselves is altered through relationships. We can begin to doubt our entire identity if that aspect of ourselves is damaged. It turns out that people frequently wonder, who am I? After experiencing a broken heart, according to research from Northwestern University in Illinois that was published in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin. 2. Grief might spread to others. Suppose a friend, family member or even a coworker experiences a divorce. In that case, there is a 75% probability that it will also happen to you, according to a study conducted in New England in 1948 with more than 12,000 Americans. 3. Get ready to have insomnia. Everyone needs a good night's sleep, and for someone experiencing heartbreak, this cannot be emphasized enough. Unfortunately, you'll probably stay up or sleep restlessly due to the emotional distress. 4. Constant heartbreak will make you jaded. According to a Purdue University study, the more heartaches and breakups we go through, the more likely we are to become cynical about finding love and conclude that it's probably not in our cards. 5. There is a reason why it is called heartbreak. A disease that resembles the symptoms of a heart attack can result from breakups. This disorder, also known as a broken heart syndrome or Takotsubo cardiomyopathy, can strike anyone at any age and is typically brought on by extreme emotional trauma. Men and women can experience it, but women typically experience it more frequently. 6. A damaged heart might cause death. As heartbreaking as it may sound, it is possible to pass away from a shattered heart. Researchers at the Minneapolis Cardiac Institute examined 200 patients with shattered hearts and found that those with other critical medical diseases had a far higher risk of dying than those with other complicated heart conditions. 7. You'll overestimate your ability to recuperate. Most people believe their grief over a breakup will endure forever, or maybe just a few months. The good news is that people frequently overestimate their recovery and typically recover much more quickly than they expect to, according to a study published in the Journal of Experimental Social Psychology. 8. Believing may make recovery possible. Hope and positive belief have been shown in a study by psychologists at the University of Colorado at Boulder to help improve pain recovery. According to the MRI results, it helps your brain to solve the problem. In other words, dwelling on the bad stuff just makes the heartache worse. 9. Positivity is beneficial. That being stated, you ought to deliberately concentrate on the good. According to the American Psychological Association, doing this while minimizing and removing yourself from the relationship's bad aspects can aid in healing. 10. Speaking about it is helpful. There isn't any way around it. You'll need to talk to someone about your breakup after it occurs. Breakup expert and psychologist Suzanne Lockman stated, "Locking it inside or trying to power through it yourself just means that it festers in there." 11. Avoid engaging in the what-if game. It's easy to feel responsible for the breakup and to imagine what might have happened if you had taken a different course of action. Stop thinking along such lines. The love affair is finished. Consider ways to advance for the future rather than dwelling on the past. 12. Heartbreak might linger into another marriage. Even when they were married to someone else, around 2/3 of men and women reported that their ex was constantly on their minds. Therefore, the heartbreak could persist into new relationships and cause more issues if you don't fully recover and heal. 13. Rebound sex is actual. It wasn't created by Hollywood. According to University of Missouri researchers, 1/3 of college students who recently experienced a breakup used sex as a way to move on from the failed relationship. Dumped individuals are even more prone to have it.